Let's talk a little bit about tool maintenance. Everything comes right from the factory adjusted for you. But one thing we talked about are these two fences. They always have to be in alignment. So any straight edge you put across here should go touch all parts of both fences. If not, we supply you with Allen key. Loosen these two screws and this entire assembly can slide out, so don't let that happen. But just loosen them up and it gives you a little bit of play. Align your two fences and re-secure them. Just remember to always keep them in alignment. The only other adjustment is this entire assembly sits in this cradle and it's held in by this clamp right here. So it's made of ultra high molecular weight. You just snug this down slightly and then tighten it. And it'll hold very well. It'll never come loose on you. But if it ever gets out of adjustment, we supply you with the Allen key to set this up. You just don't want to over tighten it. Let's talk a little bit about the anti-tear out fixture. Of course, if you set this just behind the last shim like we always tell you, this thing will stay protected and it'll do its job of protecting tear out in your wood. If it ever gets damaged, it doesn't mean that it's no good. You want to protect this front end the most. It can be damaged up here and it'll still work fine because here's the part you're using. But if it ever does get damaged, you can take out this screw, rotate it 180 degrees, and then you put this brand new side over here. And we give you an extra piece so you got another two edges with the tool. So you got 4 total. Same with this sliding block. This is where your guide pin rides to make the straight portion of your cut. If it ever gets damaged, simply loosen this knob right here. It'll slide right out, rotate it 180 degrees, put it right back in that dovetail, and you got this brand new side will be over here. But this should never really get damaged because the only thing that rides here is the guide pin. The blade never comes near it. The same with the shims. The shims should last forever. They can't wear out. The only other thing is this indicator needle right here. By loosening this screw, you could slide it right out. So if it ever comes loose, you just put it back in. We recommend about a 50 thousandths clearance between the needle and the gauge. That way you can accurately view it at 45 and you're going to be really close. That's about all there is to it. It's a solid tool. There's not much maintenance to it. It's just maintaining what's there.